Hello, hello, hello. I'm back again with another shop with me video. Today I'm at Burlington. Okay, I always love to start hair, handbag section. As you can see, I'm not always lucky. This place, this area is literally empty on a good day. I hope to catch it right. Alright, let's quickly see what they have here. I am looking on this bag. Interesting tote bag. This is new. And this one is $29.99 by Anna Clean. And this was $88. Okay, and also I am looking at this new juicy culture bag. Okay, and this one is $27.99. And here we have this clear backpack. If you are all about this, available at Burlington. Store price is not on this. Let's see. No store price. More clear bag. This is by Steve. I think I like this more. This one is 32.99. Here we have colorful bags. Okay. Alright. We saw this the last time we were in the store. They have more clear bags. Good shoulder bag by Anna Clean. I'm loving this color for $27.99. Good. Okay. And this, I love this. It feels good. Store price is $15.99. And here we are looking at this bag. This is so unique. I saw something like this online, but yeah, denim. Look at that bow chain on this. Wow. Good shoulder bag. If you are all about this, come to Burlington. And this one, let's see the price. This is $19.99. This chain is doing a lot already. Okay. Yeah. All right. Let's see. More black bags. This is a good top handle bag. I love the size. This is where I belong for $22.99 by NatWest. Yeah, I love the structure. I love the size. Very good. Yeah, this is where I belong. I love this. For $22.99, you can never go wrong. The fact that you can I love this. The quality is so good. Yeah, interesting strap is very good. Okay, here we have this crossbody bag by Tommy. And this one is $22.99. This was $98. Good deal. That's why we're here. Trust me. Up here we have this top handle bag. Let me bring it down. I love when the handle is very good. Okay, I love the length. I love when the handle is a very good length. This is a very good length if you ask me. Okay, let's check out the price. The price for this one is $29.99. Good. Okay, more bags. This is by Steve. This is a good, let's say, small laptop, iPad bag. Who knows? This may serve as a makeup bag as well, but it's nicely padded. Okay, very good. That's all I can do with these. You can even carry these out if that's your thing. This is $17.99. Okay, and this was $68. They have it available in the store. It is new. This is another one. Here we have this one. You will see more of green this season. Different shades of green, especially army green is really big. Okay, I'm loving this one. What's the store price? This is $27.99. Not bad. Okay, All right, let's check out something here. Oh, this is a canvas backpack by Juicy Pocho, and this one is 24.99. And let's check out something. Okay, here they have good bag. Oh no, belt. Okay, yeah, with the trend happening this year. Yeah, this is very good for 8.99. It's good. This is another boat belt for 8.99 as well. Okay, I will come here next week. You know, Wednesday, Thursday. Let's see. I'm likely to catch them really filled up. Yeah. Okay. Let's check out what is here. This is a good denim shoulder bag by True Religion. Cool. Yeah. And this one is 29.99. I love this idea. Look how bold this is up here. This will definitely sit right. It will sit right on your shoulder. Okay. Interesting idea. I like that. And how we have this one by Tommy. I love the letter. This feels like butter. Interesting for 32.99. Let me quickly. Okay, look at the front. I actually thought this is meant for me. I love the color. Looking at the stripes, all right, the length. I know this will hit right on me. The shape, I don't have the structure. I don't really have anything like this. I have wider ones, but this one is somehow narrow. I thought this maybe I would get this to add to my collection, but seeing this at the front, this is where you know it makes for me because yeah, I feel with this a lot is happening already. Yeah, all about this is available in the store, and this one is 32.99. Okay, yeah, more bags. This is by now was 29.99. I can remember I saw this the last time I was in the store. Okay, so we checked out this area the last time I was in the store. Okay, let me take you to clothing section. Let's see what they have there. Okay, let's check out what they have there. And today I'm likely to see how much I can grab trends. Let's see what we can do here. All right, here I'm looking at this one. Look at this. Animal print is on top of the list. Okay, look at it. This is what we are talking about for 9.99. Yeah, with tops, come to Burlington. They are very affordable. Okay, look at these straps with shoulder pad. If you are all about this is in size extra large, and this is on sale for just 4.89. What are we talking about? This is why we're here. This is why we are here. This is why we are here. It's not far from what I'm talking about, okay? So let's say I will be, moving them. Yeah, look at this by BB for 11.99. Very simple tee, okay? Let's check out this color. This color, you are likely to see something like this. More of this color this season. I love this. Okay, it feels good as well. The quality is so good. Okay, yeah, this is by CK. Let's check out the price. Store price for this is 19.99 and this was $59. Not bad, not bad, not bad, not bad. Okay, take a look at another one. Oh, this is a scrub. This is a scrub. Yeah, they do carry very good quality, good, scrubs in Burlington as well. So this one is nice. Good, good, good. All right, let's check out what they have here. This is a very good army green top, and this one is 1999, and this was 59.50. This is by CK. The quality is given what it should give. Okay, this will be perfect for office use. Yeah, interesting, interesting. Okay, look at this button down long sleeve shirt for 29.99. I believe this should be, yeah, this is also by Calvin Klein. It's by CK. And this was $89. Today you get for 29.99. The quality, don't play. It's very good. Okay, so let's go to the front and see what they have for us. New pieces in the store. This got my attention. I'm loving the color combo happening on this, and with the Etty button on the shoulder. Good, good, good. I love it. For $9.99 in size medium. Very good. Let's go to the front. Oh, okay. This got my attention. Lots of distraction. Okay, look at this one. This is a very good see-through. I love the color. I love the fact that this is actually not long sleeves. It's three-quarter sleeves by CK. The quality is so good. And this was 69.50. Today you get it for 24.99. Good, good, good. This got my attention as well. Oh my god. This happening on the sleeves. Look at that. I love this. And the quality looks so good. Okay, I'm loving the color. This is so good. You can rock this now. You can get away with it. And you can wear this inside, throw in, good coat. Yeah, next season, which is so good. Okay, and this one is just $9.99. $9.99. You can never go wrong. Okay, let's keep going. All right, here, this is new in the store. We are here to see what we can grab that is new in the store. Look at this. Look at those sleeves. Exaggerated. Look at this. This is fun. If you are all about this, ooh, they have it new in the store. And the color is giving, 2024 trend. It's very good. I love this. This is $11.99 for this style. You can never go wrong. I love this. Okay, very good. All right, good, good, good. And this is in size small. I saw it somewhere. Yeah, it's available in different sizes. And here we have the black one. Look at those sleeves. Look at those sleeves. For the same price, different color. Okay, new in the store. All right, I'll end this video here until next time. If you like my type of video, consider subscribing, share. That's all you can do for me. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, bye for now.